Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to blur face in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the application is running, upload the video clip in which you want to blur a face. Next, copy the clip you just uploaded and paste it above the original clip in the timeline. This creates a duplicate layer of the video. Click on Effects in the toolbar. From the list of effects, select the blur effect. Drag the blur filter onto the first clip in the timeline. Now drag the blur effect onto the second clip as well. Adjust the blur effect by resizing and positioning it to cover the entire clip if necessary. Right-click on the top and clip, select Create Compound Clip. This merges the clips together so you can apply more precise effects. After creating the compound clip, click on Mask from the options on the right side of the screen. Select the circle shape from the masking options. Adjust the circle to cover the face you want to blur. Move through the clip using the slider at the bottom of the screen to ensure the mask stays over the face. Adjust the position of the circle as needed to keep it centered on the face throughout the clip. Resize the circle to ensure it fully covers the face and blurs it effectively. If the mask doesn't align perfectly, continue adjusting until it does. Use the slider to play through the clip and check the blur effect. Add a keyframe to the mask whenever the face moves significantly, and adjust the mask position at each keyframe to keep the blur effect accurately covering the face. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.